Technology, engineering, arts, and math make up the STEAM fields. In today's HealthWatch, I got a chance to see how Aurora BayCare Medical Center is getting young women interested.
I always loved kind of learning about science, math, that kind of thing, and so how to figure out how to put that into the real-world application, I really didn't know what to do until I got to college, after college, kind of learned how to really apply those different sciences.
That's why Dr. Dixon Michelson is helping make sure that young women have the chance to explore careers in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math at an earlier age. Aurora BayCare Medical Center and the YWCA do just that through their TechGYRLS program.
This was all created basically to show girls what they can use for the stuff they actually learn at school in real life. So what we are showing them is different ways in healthcare that they can use science and math and arts and things like that.
From learning how to make a splint to testing out laparoscopic tools, young women from 3rd to 8th grade had their chance to test it all. For Farah, who's already an expert at operating a pump for her diabetes, it allows her to see some of the things other people go through.
It's really fun, and you can learn about stuff that you've never even known that actually is real and what people go through with their disease, and you could think, like, what if you were in their shoes and what it'd feel like to be that.
Farah's mom works at Aurora BayCare and says the program is empowering for young women like her daughter.
It just proves to them how much more they can learn and expand on, and shows that there's nothing that can stop them from doing anything and everything that they want to do. And that if you have your mind set to wanting to be a doctor, wanting to be a surgical tech, wanting to just work in the clinic and help patients get to the point of having surgery and take care of any disease or issue that they have, that you have every capability around there to help you with that as well.
Dr. Dixon Michelson has seen the TechGYRLS program grow year by year, and maybe someday she might just see one of these young women as a colleague.
Well, I hope they can maybe find something that they didn't know they could use math and science and art for, maybe find something that piques their interest, and then they can later in middle school, high school, and thereafter kind of keep using and learning from what they learned today.